I'm in a 1999 Acura TL, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, you should see this release lever that will pull. That should release that safety up front. And I don't know that I can get it in recording, but behind this lever, there's like a cable that should be attached. So if this is completely loose, you might need to get behind this plastic and address that. But now that this hood's slightly loose, you should be able to reach your fingers in here, and you'll find a lever right here. So I'm going to kind of pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. Unfortunately, it's got these nice hydraulics to hold the hood up. But this is that mechanism I was pinching. So make sure nothing's bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If this is really sticking, maybe try spraying some WD-40 to loosen things. Up top, you can see where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent or broken. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if this is crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.